Hi everyone, so this is my personal project. So I did mine on Steel Pier Brewing and featuring our signature event, which is Brewga. So welcome to Steel Pier Brewing, where we feature a signature Brewga experience where you can get physical and then relax with a beer. So this is our homepage. On our MailChimp page, if you click this right here, it takes you to our link and you can check out our Brewga experience and pictures of our happy customers. Then if you go to our offer page, which we will get to in our contest, you can buy now and it'll take you to the upsell, or maybe later it'll take you to downsell. So here you would either buy now, which is our contest or no thanks. Downsell would be either also buy now or no thanks. So here our Facebook page, you can just follow this link and you can check us out. We can show you some of our pictures of our happy customers after they had their experience here. Then on to our contest page. So our contest is if you enter your name, email, and number below with your awesome picture of you and your friends enjoying a post-Brewga or Brewga experience, you get a chance to win a free session. So make sure you tag hashtag SPBACBrewga. And this picture right here was one of our winners from last month. So down here you would just enter your name, email, phone number, and your Instagram link to the picture. Then next is our app. So as you can see, we have an About Us page with our creator and our mission and our vision statement, which our mission is great brews with great views. And our vision is that we are determined to make your visit with us unforgettable. Here's our contact page. We have a phone number, we have an email, and here's our website. And then the Brewga page where every week we post our pictures that are sent to us via Instagram and whatnot, so you can check out what your competition is. And finally, our checkout page. If you do end up buying a package deal with us, or if you end up wanting to sign up for one of our Brewga classes, you would either click the upsell button and choose your package and then check out here. So yeah, that is my page, and I hope you guys come out and enjoy a Brewga experience at Steel Pier Brewing.